Okay, namaste. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr.S.Sriman Narayanan, consultant Ayurveda Psychiatrist. Today we are on 18th day of lockdown. So I thought today awareness video on psychology and how to overcome this battle of this pandemic COVID-19. So first let me talk about the present situation. So present situation, we are seeing lots of statistics day in and day out about the number of cases increasing worldwide, and whenever we raise in the morning, we first listen to this news of number of deaths reported worldwide and in our locality, and so this is creating unnecessary panic and anxiety to the people who are staying indoors. So right now my present awareness video will be talking about few psychological health tips for you people to overcome this pandemic situation. First, we are in a state of fear, anxiety. So in Ayurveda, fear is considered as bhaya. Bhaya vishadena. Fear leads to depression, and vishadam rogavardhanana. And this depression will further worsen the disease conditions existing, and it may lead to a condition called depression where person loses the meaning of life and starts feeling hopeless and helpless. So my present advice to this pandemic is avoid this fear, because fear reduces the immune system. Every person has a strong immune system. When a person is experiencing fear and panic situation, the person loses the immune system. So for a healthy immune system, it is very important to have a strong and a good mind. So try to develop self-confidence, try to develop patience. So there are concepts mentioned in Ayurveda like Dinacharya, Rutucharya and Ratricharya. That is the daily regimen, the regimen to be followed for the season, and the regimen to be followed during the night time. So we may be wondering how we will be able to do all these regimens. We say we don't have time, but we have abundant time right now. Now it is a time for us to adopt all the concepts mentioned in Ayurveda. It is better late than never. Let's start today. Let's start with waking up early in the morning. That is waking up in Brahma Muhurta. So once we wake up in the Brahma Muhurta, so we feel lots of positivity, and it is better to practice yoga and pranayama to keep a calm and composed mind. Next, coming to the benefits of fasting. So intermittent fasting is said to be good for health, and during this pandemic situation, let's avoid unnecessary munching of junk foods, and let's avoid taking excessive food. So it's better if we can start fasting at least weekly once. So this fasting is good for the internal environment and also for the gut. The gut is also considered to be the second brain. So once we overeat, we tend to develop some symptoms like indigestion. So doing fasting at least weekly once will help us in improving our internal environment, and also our immune system will boost up. So we might be seeing lots of advertisements, lots of people talking about taking immunity boosters, drugs which enhance immunity will prevent COVID-19. So my advice here is, let's not think about immunity, let's think about the fear, let's think about the anxiety, how to keep our emotions under control, how to regulate our emotions. Once we try to regulate our emotions, our immune system will be strong, and that prevents the person to overcome the or contract the infections. As always, we have to follow the instructions of the local and the central governments. The following tips have also been told, and now I am repeating again: social distancing, following cough etiquette, and wearing mask when you are in public. Be aware, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.